What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about coins, cryptocurrency that can top $100,000. Now, I know a lot of people may see this number and think this is ridiculous. There's no coin that's going to get to that point. Or there's some people that only believe one coin is going to get to that point. But I'm going to talk through some potential and why they can actually get to those levels, and just give you an idea of other things you need to look at, because some people only look at a use case when it may be a lot more than that when it comes to the price action. So before we get started, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you take some time to check out my social medias and my other channels, as I do have pretty good content over there. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this out. Now, we're going to start this out with a cryptocurrency that a lot of people believe is going to get to $100,000, and that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been to 67K. I've talked about in the past that I didn't believe that it was going to get back to 50K, but seeing all the popularity and seeing the use behind it, seeing businesses adopt it, it's definitely turning into something a little bit different. And I believe that it's going to end up topping 100K soon. And some people believe that it's going to get to 500K and a million, a million per coin, which would be absolutely crazy, but is completely possible. It has about it has a total of 21 million supply. Right now it has 18.7 million circulating supply, as you could see here. And then what we're looking at here is the amount of volume. The volume is pretty high as well. It's literally like top of the list when it comes to most popular on Coinbase. You can see the movement here in this chart all the way up to, I believe, that 67K mark, which is absolutely insane to say that one coin can get to that level. But after seeing some other coins as well, you can definitely see that. Now, with the circulating supply being in the millions, this is something you really don't expect to get to 100K, but with having so much use behind it and so much popularity and so much demand, as you start to get to the last couple of coins that are out there, that are out in circulation, or that come out into circulation, which is going to take a while, you start paying a higher and higher price for those things. So Bitcoin is definitely the top of the list of one of those coins that can get to 100K, if not get a lot higher. Now, another coin that I like to point out is YFI. Now, YFI is a big, a big coin for me, at least. The reason why is because of the low circulating supply. It has a lot of volume, but then it has a low circulating supply. It has 36,000 circulating supply here. The max supply is 36,666, right? Not the best number, but still, right? That's what we're looking at over here, over to the right. You're going to see 36,000 circulating supply, 36,666 max supply right here. And seeing how it has that max supply, you can see that it has a higher price. Right now it's at $40,000, $40,988.43. Now this has hit a high already of I believe it was 90,000. On Coinbase it shows 90,000. On CoinMarketCap it shows 82. I don't know why, but I believe the high was 96,000. So it already almost got to 100K. So YFI is a big move, as if you can get in at some of these lows, get in at like $8,000, you can find a way to top $40,000, $50,000, $100,000 per coin. So if you bought two coins, you now have $200,000 worth of dollars, I guess, of YFI, but then you can cash that out and end up having real cash from it. So it's huge. It's a big move, but once you trade one, I believe you're going to see some price action, some really hard price action downhill, because there's only 36,000 coins. But 36,000 coins is not a lot at all, right? I think that this is a great position to get into, or to at least look into, especially when it starts to get to some of the lows. But if you would have gotten in November when it was at $8,541, you would have been in a great situation, because you would have been able to sell at that 82 or 96, depending what platform you're on. But that's huge, and I would love to see that drop back down or dip back down, but it looks like it's on the way up, going from 27 all the way up to where it is now at $41,000. So that's the second one that we need to focus on, and it's a big one. The third one that I have here is Harvest Finance. Now, Harvest Finance also has a low circulating supply. It's around 600,000. The max is around 700,000, right? So seeing that, I built a spreadsheet that showed exactly what the potential is of this position. Now, even at a conservative rate would get it to $10,000, $20,000. So showing that this can get a lot of popularity and have a low circulating supply of 600,000 coins. You can see this top $100,000. You can see this top $1 million. Like there's levels that it's just absolutely insane to look at. Now, this is something that's sort of new and did have a point to where it hit pretty high highs in the beginning, but kind of leveled out throughout 2020 and increased over to about 398. Falling down recently, it hit about 300 plus $355. Now, if this gets the popularity, it was just added to Coinbase not too long ago. If this gets the popularity and a lot of people start to hold it, that's where you start to see Farmcoin make a huge move. So this is one that I talked about previously and I continue to talk about. Because of the low supply and because of the popularity on Coinbase and the continued popularity. The only thing I want to see with Coinbase is the fact that the average hold time goes up. Once the average hold time goes up, then you start to see higher and higher prices. Instead of seeing it in the hundreds, you now see it in the thousands. So definitely, I think make a move into one of these positions, but that's your third position there. The next one that I have here is a pretty interesting one, and it's Unisocks, socks for short. Now, this was brought to me by a subscriber, and right now it's actually at $133,000. Now, this wasn't at $133,000 the last time I checked it. I don't know where this came from. I don't even know what I was looking at. But either way, it topped or got to close to $200,000, if not top $200,000. Because there's only 302 socks available. 302. Just imagine if you were one of these people that bought in down here, or one of these people that bought in down here at 4,600. If you bought 2 coins, you bought 10 coins, you're already at a level to where you're a millionaire buying 10 coins in a matter of what, a couple of months, a few months, 7, 8 months or so. That's huge. Right? You got all the way up to this point. I'm sure you would have sold, and then you got all the way back down to about 27, and now it's back up to, this is something you have to keep an eye on, because right now it's at $133,000. And it's something that can fluctuate. And if you're looking for something that can fluctuate, that you want to put maybe a couple $1,000s into and, just let it grow, this is one of those positions. $133,000. That's crazy. The max supply is only 315 socks. So I think you should definitely keep an eye out on this position because it could be really huge for a lot of people. Next, we have meme. This is just something that I believe could make that move based on the circulating supply, the max supply. But then you also look at the fact that it's a meme coin. This is literally the meme of cryptocurrency. You see meme coin, and what's actually a meme coin, you can say that Dogecoin is a meme coin, even though it does have some value to it. But now you are applying this name to this coin that a lot of people want to, put their money into and let it sit there, right? I don't know what the, hold time typically is, but it looks like it's pretty good. It's gotten up to $3,000. It can easily get up a lot higher than that. This is at $28,000 circulating supply. It's not that much. So this is one that you can definitely see a large increase with and large fluctuation as well. So guys, let me know what you are thinking about these positions, because these are 5 positions that I believe you could make a big move on. And as you see in the background, these are some of my positions. I hold, Farmcoin. I would like to hold YFI. I would like to hold some of these other positions, but I'm waiting for some movement. I'm waiting for it to pull back and then make that move. I would love to get into stocks at a certain level and then wait for that to just skyrocket. That would be phenomenal. But, you know, we'll see how this plays out. And then we can get into some of those positions. But let me know what you think about them. Let me know what you think about the potential. And also, if you factor in use case to a lot of these positions, or if you're just looking at the potential as well. I think that this is something that a lot of people should look at. The circulating supply is a big piece of seeing a position grow, because a lot of people will just totally overlook the circulating supply and just hear what people have to say about a certain position and the use case, and then the circulating supply is 60 billion or 1 trillion. And it's like, how are you going to expect to get to levels that you want to get to if the circulating supply is so high? Anyways, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description and check out some of my other channels. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, all my social media links are down in the description as well. But thanks, guys, for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.